Hello, welcome back to our channel TurboTalks. Today, we're diving deep into the 2023 Toyota GR86. This highly anticipated sports car has taken the automotive world by storm, and we're here to give you a comprehensive review. From its stunning exterior design and robust performance, to its tech-packed interior and thrilling driving experience, we've got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and join us on this journey as we unveil the 2023 Toyota GR86. Exterior design. Let's begin our exploration with the 2023 Toyota GR86 exterior design. Toyota has raised the bar when it comes to sports car aesthetics. The GR86 showcases a dynamic, low-slung profile that epitomizes the essence of a true sports car. The front end is nothing short of captivating, featuring an imposing grille and sharp LED headlights that give it an unmistakably aggressive presence. As we glide along the sides, you'll notice the sculpted lines that not only enhance its aerodynamics, but also add to its visual appeal. Of course, the iconic 86 badge is proudly displayed on the fender, an emblem of its racing heritage. Those eye-catching 18-inch alloy wheels not only look fantastic, but also contribute to the car's overall performance. At the rear, the dual exhaust tips and a discreet spoiler complete the sporty package. Under the hood. Now let's pop the hood and delve into what makes the GR86 a true beast: the powertrain. Beneath that sleek exterior lies a potent 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, an impressive upgrade from its predecessor. This powerhouse churns out an exhilarating 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, promising a heart-pounding driving experience. Enthusiasts, you'll be thrilled to know that the GR86 comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering a truly engaging and visceral connection to the road. For those who prefer an automatic, Toyota offers a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, allowing for precise control. Pair that with the rear-wheel drive setup and finely tuned suspension, and you've got a recipe for a balanced and thrilling drive that will leave you wanting more. Interior and technology. Stepping inside the GR86, you'll find a driver-centric cockpit that enhances your connection with the car. The seats strike an excellent balance between comfort and support, ensuring you remain firmly planted during spirited driving. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features conveniently placed controls for easy access to various functions. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the user-friendly infotainment system with its 7-inch touchscreen display. It offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it effortless to connect your smartphone. Furthermore, the GR86 boasts a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear and immersive audio, enhancing your driving experience. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for Toyota, and the GR86 comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work in unison to elevate your safety, whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through challenging corners. Driving experience. Now let's shift our focus to what truly matters: the driving experience. The 2023 Toyota GR86 delivers a thrill like no other. With its enhanced power and precision, it's a joy to drive on both the track and winding back roads. The steering is ultra-responsive, and the car's agility is truly impressive. Ownership and value. Before we conclude, let's touch on an essential aspect: ownership and value. The 2023 Toyota GR86 has garnered praise not only for its thrilling performance, but also for its reasonable price point in the sports car segment. Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value also bolsters the GR86 appeal, making it a sound investment for automotive enthusiasts. Furthermore, the GR86's manageable fuel consumption, relative to its performance, adds to its practicality as a daily driver. So whether you're seeking a weekend warrior or a thrilling daily commute, the GR86 offers exceptional value in the world of sports cars. Thanks to its lightweight construction, the GR86 handles corners with finesse, allowing you to confidently tackle curves. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures you can engage in controlled slides, providing that exhilarating and authentic sports car feel. In conclusion, the 2023 Toyota GR86 lives up to its reputation, offering a mesmerizing blend of style, power, and agility. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of sports cars, the GR86 promises an unforgettable driving experience that will leave you with a grin from ear to ear. We hope you've enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2023 Toyota GR86. If you found this video informative and exciting, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling automotive content. Share your thoughts on the GR86 in the comments section below. And until next time, drive safe and keep the passion for cars alive.